Hello everyone, I am Ravi. Welcome back to the channel. Ever face this situation? You know the product per minute, but when someone asks for speed in meter per minute, you are stuck doing random guesses or complicated maths. Don't worry, in this video, I will share a clear, practical, and industry proven method to convert product per minute into meter per minute in just few simple steps. And here is the best part. Whether you are a mechanical design engineer, a part of a production or maintenance team, or even a student preparing for interview or project, this trick will make your calculation faster, easier, and far more accurate. So watch the full video to understand this speed hack. Let's break this down step by step. So in the step 1, we will do the calculation of PPM to meter per minute manually. So let's see, this is our product whose length is denoted by L and width is denoted by W and the height is denoted by H. But from these three parameters, the most concerned parameter is the length of the product, which is useful for conversion from PPM to meter per minute. And the second parameter which is important is that the distance between two products, which is denoted by D. And the third parameter is itself the PPM, which is the speed. So let's start the conversion. Let's write the input parameters. First we will write speed, which is 120 ppm, and second the length is 250 mm, and the third is the depth. So depth is equals to 150 mm. Now we will write the formula for the conversion. So the formula is that speed and the meter per minute. So first we will add double bracket and then length plus depth. Sorry, not depth, distance between two products. So length is 250 and distance between two products is 150. So we will do the addition of these two parameters. Let's add this 250 plus 150. Bracket complete. First bracket is completed. Now we will multiply this parameter by our speed to get the final answer in meter per minute. So we will multiply it with 120. Second bracket complete. Now we will divide this whole unit with 1000. So divide by 1000. The reason I have used 1000 is because our length and the distance between two parameters is in mm. As you can see, the units are in mm. If you don't want to add this 1000, not 1000, divide by 1000. So at that time you can do the length is 0.25 meter and the distance between two products 0.50 meter. If you will do this, then there is no need to use 1000. Okay, so I have used 250. So let's go in that way, and the final answer will be 48 meter per minute. This is the conversion of ppm to meter per minute manually. Now let's see this same procedure on our Excel sheet. Previously we have calculated manually, now we will do it in Excel sheet. So this is our machine, and as you can see there are some parameters which have given, which I don't mention in manual, which is height and the width of our product, which is not of any concern while calculating ppm to meter per minute. But even though I have given that dimension also to understand what is the product height and the product width. This is the product height 100 mm and the product width is 200, and remaining 250 length which I have mentioned in manual calculation, and the distance between two product 150. So this is our Excel sheet. The product length 250. Distance between two product, it is 150, and the PPM is 120, which we have done in the manual calculation. So total distance per product we got directly 400. So let's see how I have done this one. So I have added product length, which is 250, and then distance between two product, which is 150. So after adding that, I got 400 as a result. Now let's see how I have done the belt speed, which is meter per minute. I have converted the speed. So let's see this one. In this, I have multiplied 400 with 120 and then divide by 1000. By doing so, I got the belt speed 48 meter per minute. Now let me show you another product length and distance between two product and the PPM. So I will do 300 product length, distance between two product, let's say 200, and the PPM is around 150. So our final speed will be 75 meter per minute. So this is how I have done the calculation in Excel sheet. And now you know exactly how to convert product per minute into meter per minute with ease and accuracy. If you found this helpful, imagine how smoother your calculation will be in real projects or on the shop floor from now on. If you have any doubt related to the above topics, leave it in the comment box. I personally read and reply as much as I can. If you have learned something new today, do hit the like button, share with your fellow engineers, and subscribe to our channel, as more practical engineering insights are coming your way next week. So till then, keep learning, keep building, and keep engineering smart.